My dear viewers, now discuss section shed number 2, Chemistry ICSE class 7 2024. To get the set number 1, please show the description box to take the PDF form of set 1. Also to take the PDF form of set 2. Now discuss, define the following terms. Radical. What is the radical? A radical is an atom or a group of atoms of the same or different element that behaves as a single unit with a positive or negative charge. For example, positive charge radical are called basic radical such as Na plus, NH4 plus, etc. But the negative charge radicals are called acid radicals such as NO3 minus, Cl minus, etc. Okay. Next event term, valency. The valency is the number of the electrons that an atom gains, loss, or events here during a chemical reaction. Okay. For example, the valence of sodium Na is 1, magnesium 2, chlorine 1. Okay. Next, polyatomic molecules. A polyatomic molecule is a molecule made up of more than 3 atoms of an element. For example, phosphorus P4 and sulfur S8. Okay. Next question, chemical change. Okay. A chemical change is which a substance undergoes a change in its chemical properties is called the chemical change. That is, new substances are formed. For rusting, the presence of both oxygen and moisture, that is water or water vapor, is essential. Cooking of the food, it is the one types of chemical change. And others chemical change example show the picture: burning of foods, roasting food, etc. Okay, digestion, cooking of food, etc. Okay, please show the picture. Photosynthesis. Okay, next, chemical equation. Chemical equations are symbolic representation of chemical reaction in which the reactants and products, okay, are expressed in the terms of their respective chemical formula. For example, HCl, hydrochloric acid aqueous, zinc solid, from zinc chloride ZnCl2 aqueous and hydrogen gas H2. That is the balance equation 2HCl aqueous plus Zn solid from ZnCl2 zinc chloride aqueous plus H2 gas, that is hydrogen gas. Okay, my dear viewers. Next question, precipitate. That is the PP form. That is a chemical reaction occurring in aqueous solution where two ionic bonds combine, resulting in the formation of an insoluble salt. Maybe water insoluble, the product from this is the product from insoluble in water. Maybe that is the insoluble salt. Example for aqueous solution from product AgNO3 silver nitrate plus sodium chloride NaCl aqueous form, that is the ionic form. Product from AgCl silver chloride, this is the white color precipitate. This is the white color precipitate. And sodium nitrate NaNO3. This is the product from, this is the PP form. That is the product precipitate form. It is the color of white zinc chloride. Okay. Next part, alloy. Iron is mixed with metals such as nickel and chromium, which are corrosion resistant. to form alloying. That is the alloys. Stainless steel is one such of the alloy. That is the example. Stainless steel is the one type of example of alloy. Okay. Next part, metalloid. Okay. What is the metalloid? With example. Such that is the some elements exhibit both properties of metals and non-metals, such as that is the known as metalloid. Okay. Example silicon, arsenic, okay, boron, germanium. Okay. Next type, chlorination. The addition of chlorine tablets to water to kill germ is called chlorination. It is the one type of process. This is the so the picture how to chlorination. Okay, clear. Next part, combustion. The process of burning of substance in the presence of oxygen to release heat and light energy is called combustion. That is example burning of candle. Show the picture example for combustion. Okay. Next part, ignition temperature. Ignition temperature. The minimum temperature, very minimum temperature, minor temperature. This is the minimum temperature. The minimum temperature at which a substance started the burning. Started the burning. Okay, it's called its ignition temperature. So the picture at first no burning, temperature increase at the certain temperature change the burning. Okay, this is one type of chemical reaction. Okay, clear? This temperature is called the ignition temperature. The minimum temperature at which the substance started burning is called its ignition temperature. Okay. Next, what is the global warming? This name is known everyone, near about everyone's people. Global warming. A slight increase in the percentage of carbon dioxide increases the overall temperature of the earth surface. That is the earth. This condition is known as global warming. My dear viewers, please show the picture difference for global warming. Okay, it is from global warming, not global warming. This situation is very comfortable, but this situation is very bad comfortable. Okay, this is the so the picture it is the global warming. Okay, next now, differentiate between the following terms. At first, proton and electrons. Okay, the difference between protons and electrons is that protons are the positively charged. Okay, particles that is the reside in the nucleus of the atom that contribute to the overall mass overall mass of the atom, while electrons are the negative charge particles that orbit nucleus of the atom. Show the picture how to situate it electrons, protons, neutron. Okay, proton that is the proton is positive charge, electron negative charge, neutron zero charge, and nucleus is the presence of proton and neutron. Okay, next differentiate cation and anion. Okay, an anion may be defined as an atom or molecule that is negative charge. A cation may be defined as an atom or molecule that is positive charge. Anion and cations are both ion. For example, calcium cation Ca2 plus, hydronium ion H3O plus. Okay, some example of anion, iodine I minus, chlorine Cl minus, hydroxide OH minus. Okay, physical change and chemical change. Chemical change is a permanent change. A physical change affects only the physical property, that is shape, size, etc. Physical change involves very little to no absorption of energy during a chemical reaction. Absorption and evolution of energy take place. Some example of chemical change: burning, cooking, etc. But the physical change example: boiling, melting, etc. Show the picture some chemical change and physical change. Okay, this is type of the chemical change, this type of the physical change. Okay, next different type: endothermic and exothermic reaction. Okay, Endothermic. Endothermic reactions are chemical reaction in which the reactant absorbs heat energy from the surrounding to product. Okay. But the exothermic reaction is reaction in which energy is released to form of light or energy. The energy is absorbed from the surrounding into reaction, but in exothermic, the energy is released from system to its environment. Okay. Next one, discuss for the energy in the form of heat, but the exothermic energy is released as the heat, electricity, light, or sound. Next point: melting ice, evaporation, cooking of gas, molecule, etc. Example for the photosynthesis, example of endothermic reaction. But the rusting of iron, etc. is the example of this is type of exothermic reaction. Okay. Next one, difference for the metal and non-metal. Metal are malleable and ductile. Metals are very good conductor of heat and electricity. Metal are lustrous, shiny, that is, can be polished. Metals are solid at the room temperature. Example: mercury, which is liquid. Non-metal are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Example: graphite. Non-metals are non-lustrous, dull, and cannot be polished. Example: iodine. Non-metals may be solid, liquid, or gases at the room temperature. Okay. Non-metal are neither dust nor stone. Okay. Next difference between painting and glazing. Okay. Applying a cloth paint on iron objects prevent rusting. The layer of paint prevents the contact of air or moisture with iron. But a thin layer of oil or grease is applied on the surface of iron objects such as tools and machine. This prevents the contact of air or moisture with tools and machine. Next different types: electroplating and galvanization. Okay, electroplating is the process of coating a metal with a thin layer of another metals by electrolysis to improve the metal's corrosion resistance. But the process of applying a protective zinc coating to iron or steel to prevent rusting. Okay, next type, this is the respiration and combustion. Respiration is the biological process that takes place in living cell to release energy. Combustion is the chemical process that occur outside living cell or living system. Respiration is controlled biological process. Combustion is an under controlled process. Respiration takes place inside the cell. Combustion takes place outside the cell. So the picture, it is the one type of the row column, respiration and combustion. That is any any answer type. This is the paragraph form. This is the row form. Okay, similar answers. Okay, difference combustion and rusting. Okay, the process of combustion produce energy in the form of heat and light. No energy is produced in the process of rusting. In combustion, substance react with oxygen to form oxide, heat and light, whereas in rusting, iron react with moisture and oxygen to form iron, that is valency 3, ferric oxide only. Example of combustion, that is picture show the combustion, okay, and also show the picture rusting. My dear viewers, to take the PDF form of this note, please show the description box. Okay, please show the next set part 3. Okay.